Very good. Well done. Thank you so much, Ma Kadambari. Adya Sharma.
बताओ मैम को.
Adya. Adya. Adya.
अच्छा बताओ मैम को ये क्या है? What is this? तो बेटा
This is my
कौन सी बुक है? This is my word trip book.
हाँ.
ये कौन सी है? Rhymes बेटा, rhymes.
Very good.
This is my rhymes book.
Full sentence, children. This is my rhyme book. This is my workbook. This is my slate. Like that you have to say. हाँ.
This is my workbook. ये बोलो.
This is my workbook.
Good. हाँ. Next. Where is your pencil box?
बताओ.
Mama.
This is my.
And this one.
What is that?
What is that, Adya?
Pencil box.
Very good. This is my pencil box. Where is your slate?
Slate बताओ.
Where is your slate?
ये बोला.
उठा के दिखाओ मैम.
Very good. This is my slate. Come on, say.
बोलो. This is my slate.
This is my slate.
Very good, Adya. Thank you so much, Adya. Yukta.
Very good.
Yukta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma. Come on, Yukta. Take your workbook, slate, pencil box.
This is my
Hmm.
word book.
Good. Very good.
This is my slate.
Slate. Very good.
This is my holy book.
Very good.
Playbook.
Playbook. Okay.
And pencil pouch.
This is your pencil pouch. Very good. Thank you, Yukta. Thank you so much. Well done. Kevin.
Yes, ma'am.
This is one. Take any four. Slate, workbook, pencil box. Others also be ready with your slate, workbook, pencil box and crayons. You have to say, this is my pencil box, this is my slate.
What is this? My word book.
This is my.
This is my. So this is my word trip book.
Okay, well done. Next.
This is my workbook.
Well done. Next.
What is this? This is my
This is my
slate.
slate.
Very good. Next.
That's it. Now this is a crayon. This is my crayons box.
This is
Box.
Very good, ma, Kevin. Thank you so much, Kevin. Next is Mokshita. Mokshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, start.
This is my slate.
Very good.
This is my science book.
Very good.
This is my word book.
Very good.
This is my color pencil.
Very good, Mokshita. Thank you. Nakshatra. Nakshatra.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kana.
This is
Hmm.
சவுண்டா சொல்லு. This is my pencil box சொல்லு. ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு. Yes, ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு.
This is my pencil box. Good. This is my duster.
என்னவே புரியல ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு.
This is my Mr.
Good. Next.
This is my light.
Very good. Next.
This is my pencil book.
This is your workbook. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Nitish.
Yes,
Nitish, where are you?
Nitish.
Ma'am.
Come on.
Solo, this is.
This is pencil. Okay. Next. This is what's the book?
My book.
Next. Where is your pencil box, Nitish? Where is your pencil box? This is Nitish.
Sulra,
This is my slate. Okay, good one, Nitish. Thank you, Kana. Tilakar. Tilakar. Come on.
This is my text.
Hmm. Good. Workbook. Workbook.
This is my rough note.
This is my rough note.
Okay, good.
This is my pencil.
Very good, Tilakar. Thank you. Pranavi and Praveena. Pranavi and Praveena. This is my. Come on. This is my slate. Both of you together. This is my slate. Pranavi and Praveena. Same, I can't hear you, children, both of you. Workbook, very good. Sabrish, I am not able to hear Sabrish. Okay,
Hello.
there's some issues, I think. Okay, children, all of you stand up for Kidsy Anthem. Stand up for Kidsy Anthem, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Nimalan, repeat after ma'am. Okay?
Kidsy Anthem.
Kidsy Anthem.
You are a baby. You are the night. You are unique. I put in inside.
You are the wings.
Go the wings. Unique flight. You define me. My potential sight.
Today I pledge.
Today to fly. It on my might. I shall to you. My potential sight.
Wonderful. Very good. Awesome. Very good, children. Likewise, everyone should practice Kidsy Anthem, children. One by one, everyone will get the chance. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much, Manimalan. Now wish good morning to ma'am.
Thank you,
Everyone, a big, loud good morning to ma'am. Loudly unmute yourself. Louder. Good morning, Vanilla, ma'am. That's it. No power itself. Why? Everyone will have a breakfast. Yes, I can't hear you. Yeah, very good. Are you ready for the warm
क्लास
activity?
ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம் ஒரே ஆள் நீயா தான் இருப்ப
Come on. Stand up, all of you.
What's going on? Ding, ding. Racing. Ding, ding. Bam, bam. Ding, ding, ding. Bam, bam, bam. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, oh. Ding, ding, ding. Bam, bam, bam. Ding, ding. Racing. Break it.
Yes, all of you go drink one glass of water and come back.
मैम से पूछो हाँ क्या हाँ
ये बोला
बोलो here I am
Hidayem Ajisema.
Very good, Adya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Next.
நீங்க ஓடிக்கிறியா நீங்க ஓடிக்கிறியா
Nakshatra. Here I am. Very good, Nakshatra. Next. Very good, Nitish. Next.
Here I am.
Very good, Ma Kevin. Next.
Wow, sorry, Nishadra.
Yeah, please. Absent. Sarah. Pranavi. Pranavi. Manavi and Pravina.
Here I am.
Very good, ma. Pravina.
Here I am.
Very good, Pravina. Okay, ma. Very good. Next, Srinija. Okay, next. Sir. Very good, Tilaka. Next. Very good, Yukta. Next. Very good, Kadambari. Next.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Next.
Here I am.
Mokshita. Very good, Mokshita. Next.
Here I am.
Very good, Nimalan. Next. Very good, Maharash. Children, do you all remember the rhyme which I taught you yesterday? What rhyme we learned yesterday? What rhymes? Yes? Don't know. Vegetable rhymes we learned right yesterday. Vegetables fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Vegetables fresh and healthy. Do the action, children. Vegetables fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Okay, we'll send you the audio today, children. Okay, and now next is Mummy Daddy Rhymes. Kadambari, Mummy Daddy Rhymes. Kadambari.
Mommy, Daddy, I love you. Leave me to care for me. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing a dance, love and panta all to the day. Game, so happy. I love you, access. I love you, kisses when meet me.
Very good. Well done. Thank you, Shravanya. I have 2 eyes.
2 eyes I can see. I have 1 nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. Name Mickey Felix pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear, and 1 tongue can help me taste. These are my 5 senses. These should not waste.
Well done. Awesome, Shravanya. Very good. Well done. Okay, next is numbers. Okay, I want all of you to stand up. Stand up, come on, road counting 1 to 30. Okay, ready, steady. I want all of you to jump. Kevin, stand up and jump. Stand up. I don't want anyone to sit. Kevin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Well done. Nitish, sister also is jumping. Very good. Well done. Thank you, children. Now come on, sit down. Sit, all of you. Okay, children, I told all of you to be ready with the plant. Yes or no? Are you all ready with the plant? Did you all bring a plant? Yes or no? How many of you didn't bring? Okay, I'll give you a time to prepare for the plant. First, we are going to see what is plant and what is trees. Okay, we get fruits and vegetables and flowers from plants and trees. Okay? Yes, ma. If you have not brought, you can bring now. I'm going to just teach you what are plants and trees. Okay. So 1 minute. Today I'm going to show you plants and trees in our school. Since I'm in school today, I'm going to show you the plants and trees that we have in our school. Are you all ready? Ready to see what is there in our school? Yes? Here. Yeah. Yes. Can you see everyone? Can you see? This is your play area. See here. This is your play area. Slide. Yes? Okay, now I'm going to show you plant and tree. See here, you can see a plant. This is a two-flower hibiscus plant. Okay? So plants are regularly very small. They are not that much strong and thick. Okay? But here you can see a tree. Can you see the tree here? What tree is it? Anyone knows? What tree is it? Huh? Yeah, very good. It is the coconut tree. Can't even shake the tree. It is very strong. It is very strong, but a plant is not like that. See here, you can shake a plant. It is very thin, not that much strong like a tree. Okay.
Ma'am, can you put yourself on spotlight?
Sorry,
Can you put yourself on spotlight?
spotlight.
Yeah. So that there will be a bigger view.
Now visible?
Now,
Is it visible now?
it is visible, but
Now. See here a small plant. This is a herb, children. Okay. And then another plant is here. Now I'm going to show you some flowers also. And you are going to identify the colors of the flower.
ये देखो, ये देखो.
Mama need tree. Mama need tree.
Can you see?
Need tree.
What color is this flower, children? What is the color of the flower? Yellow. Very good. Now
Yellow, angel
yeah, yellow. Now another color flower. What color is it? What color is it? Red. Very good. And now another color.
Yellow. Okay, ma'am.
What color is this flower?
Green color.
What color? Green.
Green.
No, it is pink in color. Pink color. Can you see?
Pink flower.
Pink color.
Pink color.
Yeah. And then another plant also I'm going to show you. No, this is not my home. This is school. See another plant you have here. Okay. See, this is the stem of a plant. Can you see? This is the stem of a plant. From stem only, the leaves will come. This is the leaves also. This is the plant. And this is the leaves. Leaf. What is the color of leaf, children? What is the color of leaf?
Green.
Green. Very good. This is the stem and this is the leaf. Now I'm going to show you the flower. See here. Leaf. You have leaf here. And this is the stem. And here you have a flower here. Okay. Leaf. stem and flower. Next, I'm going to show you branches. Okay, small plants will not have branches, children, but only trees will have branches. It will be very thick. So this is the branch of the tree. This is the branch. See how thick it is. It's very thick, right? Is it like them? See? Stem will be very thin. Stem ரொம்ப மெலிசா இருக்கும். But branches and all அப்படி இருக்காது. Okay? Branches are very thick like this. Okay? And only trees have branches, children. In the plants and all, you can see only the stem. Plants la stem மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும். But trees only you will have branches. You can see the branch of all the trees.
கீழ இப்படி பெருசா வருதுல தனித்தனியா அதுதான் branches. ஓகேவா?
Branch na கிளைன்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, in villages also you would have seen தாத்தா பாட்டி எல்லாம் ஊஞ்சல் கட்டி தருவாங்களா? Yes, in branches ஊஞ்சல் கட்டி தருவாங்க. That is branches. Classroom, be ready with your plan.
Mother's planting.
Ice plant. Ice plant.
Okay, and this is grass, children. Grass. And I didn't show you the root, right? 1 minute. Here, this is the root. Can you see the root? This is the root. Okay, it will be under the soil. That is the root.
Okay.
All of you be ready with your plant.
Yuddha is ready.
Yukta is ready, Okay, let me also be ready. 1 minute, children. Yes, was it nice, children, our school? Did you see the play materials, trees and plants in our school? Was it nice? நல்லா இருக்குதா? Okay, children, now take out your plants. See, this is the leaf. This is the leaf. Green color la irukka. This is the leaf. And this is the stem. This is the stem. All of you touch the stem of your plant. Touch the stem of your plant. Stem. இதுதான் stem. Stemல இருந்து தான் leaves வரும். So that is stem. And then this is the root. Root. Flower, you know, I showed you the flower also, right? This is the root. Root will be under the soil. Under the soil na soil குள்ள தான் இருக்கும். பூமிக்கு அடியில தான் இருக்கும். You cannot see the root. Root வந்து நீங்க plant வெளியில எடுத்தாதான் root தெரியும். Okay, it will be under the soil, so you cannot see the root. Okay, so this is root. Root, stem, leaves. Okay, root, stem, leaves. Root, all of you touch the root. Where is the root? All of you touch it. Root. Where is the root? All of you. Show me the root, all of you. Touch the root. Root எங்க இருக்கு? Root எங்க இருக்கு? Where is root? Very good. Where is the stem? Stem எங்க இருக்கு? Stem. Leaves. Leaves. This is the leaves. Okay, now one by one you are going to tell me root, stem and leaves. Okay, faster. First is Shravanya. Shravanya. Come on, Shravanya. You don't have a plant, I'll show you. Come on. What is this?
Plant.
Leaf.
Leaf. And what is this?
Stem.
Stem. What is this?
Root.
Fruit.
Root. And you have flower. You have flower. Very good. Flower. Well done. Thank you, Shravanya. Beautiful. Next is Yukta. Next, Kadambari, be ready. Yukta.
Root.
Root.
Leaf.
Stem.
Leaf.
Stem ikkada.
Where is your stem? Stem. Very good, Yukta. Next is Adya Sharma. Sorry, Kadambari. Adya, be ready next. Kadambari.
Don't understand, ma'am.
Yes, ma?
We don't have plant.
Okay, I'll show you. What is this, ma?
A leaf, ma'am.
Leaf. What is this?
A stem, ma'am.
This one?
A root.
Very good. Root. Thank you, ma, Kadambari. Next is Ilango. Ilango.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, கூப்பிடுறாங்க.
Leaf.
சத்தமா
Come on.
சொல்லு. இது என்ன இலங்கோ? Leaf. இது?
Root.
இது என்னது?
The root.
இது root இல்ல, இது stem.
Stem.
சத்தமா
Stem.
சொல்லு.
Stem.
கீழ இருக்குமே.
Root.
சத்தமா.
Root. Very good, my Ilango. Next is Adya.
तो
Adya.
हेलो उधर देखो
Adya.
मैम बुला रही है
What is this, Adya? Adya Sharma, look here. इधर देखो. Adya. And how will I do your observation? Come on, Adya.
वहाँ देख के बताओ इसको छोड़ो वहाँ देखो अच्छा
What is
इसको
this,
बताओ
Adya?
मैम को बताओ ये क्या है ये क्या है हाँ क्या ये क्या है ये क्या है
Ma'am.
Yes, good morning, ma, Srinija.
Ma'am, there was a power cut. Just now power came, ma'am.
Okay, no issues. Now only we just started, no
ये क्या
problem.
है
Stem.
स्टेम
Stem.
हाँ और ये क्या है रूट
Root.
अच्छा ये क्या
Adya,
है
touch the root. Touch the root, Adya.
टच द रूट
Root.
Root. Stem.
स्टेम
Touch the stem.
Is a stem.
नहीं
Leaf.
लीफ को टच करो
Is a leaf.
Leaf. Very good. Thank you, Adya. Next is Nitish. Nitish.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Nitish.
Root எங்க இருக்கு? காமிங்க root. Stem சொல்லுங்க.
Stem.
Leaf.
It.
Very good, Nitish. Mokshita. Mokshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Leaf. Stem. Root.
Very good, Mokshita. Srinija.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is leaf?
Leaf.
Stem. This is stem. Root. And now tell me which is leaf. Leaf. Stem. Root. Very good, Srinija. Next is, who else I left? Tilakar.
Root. Root.
Okay, tell me. Stem. Leaf. Very good. Leaf. Good, ma, Tilakar. Next is Nakshatra.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Nakshatra.
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
welcome, ma. Welcome. Nakshatra.
Yes, ma'am. சொல்லுமா sister.
Ma'am.
Come on, say root. Where is the root?
Root.
Root எங்க இருக்கு? Root, where is the root? Show me the root, ma. Okay, stem. Stem. Which is the stem? Stem na inga இது இருக்கும். இதான் stem. அது root, the stem. Okay, leaf. Leaf. Very good. Pranavi, Pravina. Pranavi and Pravina, what is this? Both of you tell me. Dinadu. Leaf.
Leaf.
Leaf. Stem.
Stem.
Root.
Root.
Leaf.
Leaf.
Stem.
Root.
Root. Okay? Yes, Kevin, ready? Kevin. Kevin. Kevin is not there. Is he there? Yes, Kevin. Touch the root, Kevin. Kevin, touch the root. Where is the root, Kevin? Left the meeting. Okay. Children, I want you to take today's worksheet D26CT.
Excuse me, ma'am. Nimalan, ma'am.
Yes. Nimalan, sorry, Nimalan. Come on, show me Nimalan. Root.
Root. Root, ma'am.
Stem.
Stem cutter.
Stem, ma'am.
Very good. Then leaf.
Leaf.
Very good. Thank you. Now all of you take today's worksheet. Yeah, ma. Today's worksheet D26CT. And the date is 6-8-2121.
Hello, ma'am.
D26CT.
Okay, ma'am.
Write today's date, children. 6-8-2121. Ready? Shall we start doing the worksheet? First, here, children, first circle the stem.
Ma'am,
Circle
ma'am,
the word stem.
please tell page number once again, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. D26CT.
26.
Yeah, 26. Sabresh, if there is no place for them, let them sit on the floor. See how they will write with that worksheet, Sabresh.
Okay, fine.
How they will write.
Got it, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Pranavi, Pravina, கீழே உட்காருங்க. Sit on the floor. Both of you sit on the floor. Chair நவுத்திட்டு கீழே உட்காருங்க.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, first circle the word stem, children. First word is stem. See, where is the stem picture here? Stem will be very thin and it is green in color. So here you can see the stem. Match the stem. Circle the word and then you match it, children. Stem. And the second one is branch. Branch na kela. In big trees you can see. Branch of a tree. Where is the branch of a tree? It is brown in color. Here. And the third is flower. Circle the flower. You know which is flower? Match the flower. Here you have a hibiscus flower. Red color. And the fourth word is root. Children, follow my reading, children. Don't do it on your own. Root. Fourth word is root. You can wait till I said go to the next word. Root. Root is brown in color and the root is seen under the soil. So this is root. Fifth word, fruit. You can see appear fruit here. Fruit. Match the fruit. And finally, leaves. Leaves are green in color. You know which is leaves. Circle the leaves. Sorry, match the leaves. Finished matching?
Ma'am,
Very good, Srinija, Nitish. Very good.
Done.
Very good, Ma Srinija. Everyone has finished. Shall we move on to the next worksheet?
1 second, ma'am.
Yeah, identify and match, children. I'll wait for you. Identify and match. Fruit, flower, leaf, stem, root, branches, branch.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Done, all of you? Okay, now the next worksheet is D27 CT. D27 CT. I want all of you to 1 minute look at the screen, children. Let your parents take and give you the worksheet. All of you, please look at the screen. I want everyone to look at the screen. Ellaru screen ada paakano. No, don't do the worksheet. Don't do the worksheet. Repeatedly, I am telling you, don't do the worksheet, Tilakar. First, here you are going to name the parts of a plant. Here we have a flower, stem, leaf and root. Here you are going to write the numbers. Okay. First, here you have to circle the part of the plant, that is stem. Stem is number 1. See, where is stem? This is stem. Yes. So, write number 1 here. Don't do the worksheet. Please listen. Number 2, flower. Circle the flower, that is number 2. So, where you can see the flower? Here. So, straight to this, you have a box here. Write number 2. Adya Sharma, listen first. Number 3 is roots. Yes? Where can you see the roots? It is here. So, straight to the roots, you have a box here. Write number 3. And then 4 is leaf. You know where is leaf? Here. Green color. Straight to this, you have a box here. Write number 4. This way, you have to label the parts of a plant. Come on, now do it. Number 1, stem. Number 1, stem. If you have doubts, look at the screen and do, children. Number 2, flower. Number 2, flower. Number 3, roots.
Am I done?
Very good, Ma Srinija. Number 3, roots. Number 4, leaf. Leaf, leaf. Leaf is green in color, leaf. Finish? Yeah, good. Please let me know when you finish, children. We'll move on to the next worksheet.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay, your next worksheet will be D28MT. D28MT. You are going to write the numbers, how many objects are here, and you are going to find more or less. In which box we have more, that box you are going to tick it. எதுல நிறைய objects இருக்கோ, that object box you are going to tick it. D28 empty. All of you have taken the worksheet. First count and write the number of leaf here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 5. And next is 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 are. So which is more? 4 or 5? Which is more? 4 or 5, children? Who knows?
Ma'am.
Yes?
5, ma'am.
5. Very good, Kadambari. Thank you so much. So tick the box which has 5 leaves. Next box you have oranges here, right? So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 oranges are here. The next box you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 here, not 4, but 6. So now which is more, 4 or 6? Which box has more oranges? 6. Very good. Thank you, Makadambari. 6. Others also can answer if you know. Next is flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 flowers here. And the next box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. No 6. So which has more number of flowers? 6. Very good, ma.
6.
So tick the box which has 6 flowers. Finish. Very good, Tilakar. Very good, Srinija. Kadambari, good finish.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Finish, ma'am.
Mokshita, very good, Mokshita. Very good, Nimalan. Today we are going to learn a new alphabet, children. Those are finished, please let me know.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Good. Everyone has finished?
No, ma'am, last one.
Yeah.
She's not understanding which one is big and which one is small.
More. Which is more? Which box has more number of flowers, ma? When you see itself, you know. Which has more number of flowers, Adya?
इसमें
Which
more
box? Show me which box.
इसमें 6 है, इसमें 5 है. Tick. अच्छा.
See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but 5 means you have only these 5 fingers. Extra finger you don't have. So which is more? 6 only is more. Okay, Adya?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, well done. Okay, children, now all of you look at the screen. Today we are going to learn a new alphabet, that is I. What is the phonic sound for I? Who knows the phonic sound for I? E. Very good. Inky the mouse is wet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Okay. So I. Today's letter is I. I for ice cream. I for iron. I for ink. I for igloo. I for insect. I for ice cube. I for infant. Okay, this is a baby only, but infant is also another word. Okay, so I for ice cream, iron, ink, igloo, insect, ice cube, infant. Now take your worksheet. D30 LT. D30 LT. I is very easy, children. Just a standing line and a dot on top of it. Very easy. Come on, write I, small letter I. A standing line and a dot on top of it. I. Yeah, very good. Children, you all brought the plant, right? Don't waste this plant. This plant, you have to stick it in your rough notebook in a page. Okay, use sellotape and stick the plant in that notebook and then name 3 parts: leaf, stem and root. Okay, name it, draw a line and name it: leaf, stem, root. Like that you have to name it and send it to me today. Okay, and the next I page will be your homework, children. Insect, igloo, ink, finish. I is very easy, children. This much time you are taking.
Adya done, ma'am. Next page.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Next page will be your homework, children.
Ma'am, Yukta is not writing, ma'am.
Why, Yukta?